Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to share some benefits, cautions, as well as concluding part of this unboxing. So if you haven't watched the first video I made about this unboxing of raw African black soap, I would really appreciate it and advise you go watch the first one before coming to this one. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, if you want to know all these things that I'm gonna say in this video, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and tap on the bell icon. In that way, you get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, lovelies. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you one or two benefits of African black soap. If you want to order, watch that video. I'm going to link up, because from the video you can see her WhatsApp number, so you can have a direct contact with her. This African black soap is so good. It's so amazing. So the reason why it's good is that adults can use it, a child can use it in this form, because some people, they will go and mix so many things which is not suitable for children's skin. So don't just go and buy and start mixing so many. So what am I saying? I'm talking about like adults can use this, kids can use this, if they are in this form. Once you start mixing so many things, then it might not be suitable for kids again, unless you know that yes, this is prescribed by your doctor or somebody that is, you know, professional, then that's fine. But other than that, in this form, like, anybody can use it. In fact, this is for all skin type. Yeah, it's for all skin type, and it's so good. Like, it's so amazing. African black soap is so amazing, very amazing, and all natural. African black soap is good. Over time, it can help with acne, it can help with hyperpigmentation, it might help with uneven skin tone, it might help with rashes, like so many things. Yeah, it's a very good soap, like a trusted soap, and I'm so happy that I bought this much. So actually, one box is supposed to be 2 kg for one box, or even though that when I weighed it, some were a little bit less. Like, the money for the black soap is not that expensive, but where the main money goes is the shipping. Yeah, the shipping. If you want to buy and contact her, she can tell you how much, but believe me, the money for one of it is not, it's not like, it's so cheap. What was a bit much is the shipment of DHL. And another thing is that I paid with PayPal. So in case you want to order, if you need to, like, if you don't have PayPal account, you need to create a PayPal account. So yeah, African black soap is so good. Yeah, this is what I got from Wudemaya. And yeah, but it was actually Wudemaya's sister that I got in contact with. I placed my order, and yeah, and I got them. I actually got this like over like a week, or getting to 2 weeks now. But honestly, like, whenever I say let me make this video, something or the other will make it not to be possible. But I'm so excited that finally I get to make this video today. Soap is so good. I can't even I can't stop saying the goodness of this African black soap. It has downside of it as well, but what matters is that the goodness of it, the benefits of it, is way higher than the downside of it. And the downside of it, if you are careful, like, you won't even have any problem using this soap. But unless you're not careful, you don't care, you don't listen to your body and all that. But this soap is so mild. It's so mild, like it's milder than some other soap. You can check my African black soap, maybe my playlist of African black soap, and then you watch and see for yourself. So there I explained a lot of things, like which African black soap is kind of stronger than other. So I'm not going to keep saying it in this video. So this video is all about unboxing. This video is all about my African black soap I got direct from Ghana, and I'm so grateful that my orders came super good. They came in good condition and I really like them. As I told you, I got this 5 of them, and I was happy, but I wanted them to come in this form. I had to make another order. So if you're buying and you want it like this, you need to tell her from day one, because I think I assume that she's going to send it to me this way, but which she didn't. She sent it this way. But finally I got them in this form, and I'm so happy even with this one and this one. So I don't think I'm gonna buy African black soap for in a long time now. So we are going to be having like with time how you can mix it properly, like I say properly. So in more videos coming. I'm not going to hasten it. I'm going to take it one at a time. So let me stop rambling. So yeah, I got my orders, and I'm so happy about them. So yeah, and thank you again with the Maya sister for packing my orders very well. It was a pleasure getting to know you. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video, but with time I'm going to be telling you guys 1 or 2 things about this African black soap. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Bye guys.